Hi, to change wallpaper on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. As a first step, let's change wallpaper for home screen. For that, we can press and hold current home screen. And now, we'll go in this edit mode, so from here tap this icon, which is for wallpaper changing. Now you'll see a lot of ads, so don't worry, just wait a couple of seconds till we can skip it. So let's just try to close ads. And now this FIMS app opens. So basically you'll see like all of the online options for the wallpaper. Just go through the list. And if you liked something, you would need to simply select it by tapping. And now you can use this green button to apply this wallpaper or the second one and so on. Just don't forget to scroll through the list. Let's apply this one, and for that I'm gonna tap green button, and now we can decide where we wanna apply this wallpaper. We can set it as home screen, as lock screen, or both. So this one let's set as home screen. I'm gonna tap this option, and now we can see that it is applied successfully. So let's check it. And yep, here it is applied successfully. And now let's open settings, then scroll down and find this tab wallpaper and personalization. So from here you can also go in this online wallpapers, or you can scroll down and select something from this default options. Don't forget to swipe left to check all of the options. And let's choose something from this editor's picks. So I'm gonna tap on more. And for example, I like this cat, so let's select it. And this is how it will look on my lock screen. So if you're satisfied with that, just tap apply and choose set as lock screen. Here you can turn on wallpaper carousel. Basically, this is the feature when you're tapping the power button, and each time you're tapping it, wallpaper will be changed. So if you're willing to try this out, then you can agree to turn it on, or if not, and you want to stick only to one option, choose don't agree. And now let's check changes. I'm gonna lock my screen, and yep, here is my new wallpaper. Also, you can press and hold your current lock screen, and you can find some options from here. And also you can see this button customize. So we can select something, for example, this flower or this one. And let's tap this customize button. And now we can change time. We can change font here. Also, we can change color and enable this one multicolored digits. Here you can change digits and divider, so just pick something from this list. And now if you're satisfied with changes, as we did before, tap done, and here you can also change filter, and you can tap on wallpaper, and from here you can set your own photo as your lock screen wallpaper or home screen. For that, simply choose local photos, allow access to photos, and then pick something from your gallery. But I'm gonna set this one, so let's tap apply. And we can also turn on always on display. So if you're willing to try this out, then tap blue button turn on. And these are the changes. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.